Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to restart your activity seamlessly without flickering. Here we have a simple case where you need to change the theme, but as you know Android does not allow to apply theme at runtime. So let's start. First go to your Android manifest and add this line: Android launch mode equal single task. After that, then go to your styles file and add these lines: window disable preview, set it to true, and then add these two lines: window action bar and window no title, set window action bar to false and window no title to true to disable those ugly action bar. Then you need to go to your activity and write this code. So you need to finish your activity and then override pending transition. This will override the default transition of your activity and will let it restart without flickering. So here we have the click listener, and we are restarting our activity, disabling transitions, and all we need is to run on a device. So let's run our code, and as you can see guys, you can change your theme, you can restart the activity without flickering, without blinking. It just seamlessly restarts. It looks perfect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you.